There we go.
Great. Well, I got some jugs.
We're grinding away. We got our #1 apple tosser right here.
So we'll use your jug glass. Okay. No, just 4-gallon jug. Yeah. I just brought 4. I just got a pile of jugs. Our friends at church have this.
Well, that's the same.
Right.
I just put the
right. But they just have one pot underneath. They don't have the double. Yeah. But he has
drinking the juice there.
And then the thing. All in one piece. Yeah. But it's the same.
All right, that's enough.
Yeah, Happy Valley Ranch.
Yeah.
All right, this one comes out. That one goes forward.
Cheap.
You got to get this one in. And push this one.
All right, Kyle.
Do it. Build it yourself.
You gotta get the lid.
Wow. From Happy Valley. They still sell all that stuff. But you know, Chuck, Dad has one of these threaded things.
Does he?
I have it at the shop. It's got a T for like a vice handle.
Yeah.
And it just goes down and it has a plate.
Oh.
And you just screw it.
Really?
So we could make a press.
I have this arbor and this rod and this all together.
So you put the plate here and it just threads through.
Oh.
Elsie, do we have cups?
Cups. We need cups. We need to taste this. Look at.
My favorite.
No. No, get up.
Do this by hand.
Yeah.
That's how it gets hard.
Get it under there.
There you go. First fruit.
Okay.
Okay.
Now you need the bar.
You gonna share the wealth?
Do it.
How is it?
Chunky stuff. Look at that going on.
How is it?
Set 'em down.
Let me try one. Let me try.
It's Seneca. Right there, Seneca.
Ah.
Smaller amounts.
Oh yeah.
It's not like the best because you have to chew it.
Yours.
Oh yeah. That's some good stuff. We got a lot of apples to go through.
Oh, thank you, my dear.
Just a few.
All right. We'll shut this down for a little while. I really want to see this one. It still runs. You can see down inside it's got the grinder. Oh man, I bet you this thing would work really good. And then this is the plunger. Oh, this is still good. This works just fine. Antique model right there. Oh, that's good. You got it in? Twist that on there. Perfect. Once it makes that clicky sound, then you know.
You gotta do 2 hands. You gotta get to the 2 hands. Then you don't tip the machine over.
All done?
You get Tim to bolt this down with a cone.
One more drink.
Why can't you do it right?
All right, all done. Whoa. Shooting checks. All right, we're good. We just came off the 2x4 is all. We're gonna need some apples here. We're good for now. It's just for in a little bit. Got it. Enough? All right. Thank you. Are you saving this little guy right there?
Kind of sweet. Might want to water it down. There's whiskey on the table.
These are what makes the best cider. The little ones.
So that's I think that's a smart.
She liked this. She didn't want to lose any of us to like another building. So she took one of my colleagues. Oh my goodness. So that was sad.
Yeah.
Wow, look at the size of
I
that.
mean, I still see her every day, but I'm just. Yeah.
There's 2 more over there,
It's just
or
stressful.
several.
Oh, right over there.
Wow.
Trying to figure out like.
Couple right up here, Gray.
Try not to get anybody sick. Well, there's always that stress, like.
Two big ones. Right.
There's 3 of them right there.
What happened before when they got sick? Oh yeah, that's right. Life went on.
Yeah. I know.
So they're not dying.
We've had a couple classrooms, like the teacher got it, so then the whole classroom was
Huge.
quarantined.
They're called King.
Anyway.
King apple.
I need one of those buckets.
Yeah.
That I,
I know.
I need to
I
get
don't
a
know if they're any good.
get a piece of this
I just
tree
know that
in the spring.
Kim said
Do a
we were
graft.
looking at it
Hey,
this morning, and
wanna
the
watch
guy
it come
who
out?
brought
Watch this
some,
over here.
some like
Somebody
this
grabbed
big,
all those
and
apples.
it
Oh, you want some?
We're waiting for the get hot.
Alright, take mine off.
circle of clear blue sunshine. Don't know why, but I like it.
You had one around you earlier.
Then I can
We don't do anything. Pick them off the tree, wash them, put them in the thing.
Oh, at least you wash it, huh?
Wash them. Got a bucket of water. Oh yeah? Salt and vinegar wash. Is that what it is? Pretty much. Other side over here.
Will it stay in here?
No. The thing's right there. Here. I try to do things easy, right? So use that. So if you just use that, use it. Alright, couple more. Anything with this, deer will eat it all gone. I'll put it down. Keep going.
About 10.
It won't last. Oh yeah.
It has its own fertilizer. I fertilize it every 3 weeks. I've been able to grow just fine.
Okay, that's good. We gotta get that.
Alright, that's good.
So then we do a switcheroo.
You do that.
So this is problematic here. Go back. Hang on. There's the bag. A lot of bags.
Fold.
Okay. Hey. Go ahead. Trying to push this thing back. Oh,
Yeah.
Stuck up on the back. Here comes the juice.
Here comes the juice. Here comes the juice.
there's your juice roll.
Bring it.